Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a flat surface, minimal case thickness, and Bluetooth enabled on your phone. First, open the app and grant required permissions so pairing can proceed. Tap Pair or scan the QR on the charger. Once connected, the app will display firmware and charging profile. Make sure to update firmware if the app suggests it. Updates often fix stability issues and improve power negotiation. Once paired, place your phone on the pad and watch the app confirm alignment and initial power draw. Once connected, you configure how the charger behaves and why those choices matter. Choose standard, fast, or trickle modes. Fast increases heat, so set temperature limits accordingly. Use the app's alignment guide to shift your phone until the indicator turns green. This maximizes efficiency and reduces waste heat. Next, schedule charging windows and enable battery health features like max charge threshold. Setting 80% can prolong battery lifespan. Make sure to save profiles for different devices, because optimized set. To finish, verify charging has begun and watch current and temperature for the next 5 to 10 minutes so you can confirm stable operation. If charging fails, reseat the phone, remove magnetic mounts or thick cases, and retry alignment, then restart the app and power cycle the charger. If problems persist, collect app logs, firmware version, and your device model. Send these to support. One key tip: if heat or intermittent drops occur, reduce charging power or switch to standard mode. This often resolves instability without hardware replacement.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.